This way of preparing potatoes is taking the world by storm. Start by chopping 3 whole potatoes into medium-sized pieces. Place them in a pot, cover with water, and add salt to taste. Let them cook for 7 minutes. After cooking, drain the potatoes using a strainer and transfer them to a bowl. This is the ideal texture we're looking for. Add chives to taste, 3.5 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, basil to taste, and paprika to taste. Mix everything very well. Next, add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix again until you get a smooth dough. Transfer the dough to a cutting board and divide it in half. With your hands, shape small balls to your preferred size. Here, we suggest a medium size, ideal for snacks. Using an empty plastic bottle, do this. This trick is simple, but it adds a special touch. Heat oil in a pot and, over medium heat, fry the potato balls. Use 2 forks to turn the balls, ensuring all sides are evenly golden. The aroma spreading through the kitchen is simply sensational. Once the balls are well golden, remove them from the oil and let them drain on paper towels. And there you have it. Your delicious potato ball recipe is ready. It's a quick, practical and tasty recipe that's done in under 5 minutes. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you liked it, don't forget to give our video a thumbs up. Not part of our channel yet? Click the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming recipes.